I want to show you how you can bring more of the physical world into your digital knowledge base. Think of stuff like paper documents, handwritten notes, or for example, food recipes from a book, which is the demo that I will show you today. We'll see how easy the Note Companion mobile app makes it to digitize text, to index it and make it searchable. And how I combine it with the Note Companion Obsidian plugin to automatically get my recipes organized into my recipes folder, as well as how I get them formatted into my preferred layout using the AI in the plugin. And it will even translate the recipe from German to English. I think that these two tools could really help you get more knowledge from the outside world into your vault so that it's always with you and easy to find. Here you can see me in the kitchen collecting recipes from a few cookbooks. When I see one I like, I open the Note Companion mobile app and I snap a picture to add my favorite recipes to my digital knowledge base. And once I'm done, I go on my computer and I can open Obsidian and download the images and the digitized text. So here you can see that I added all 5 recipes to my vault, but what you can see here is still the raw text that was extracted, so it's still in German and not named or organized how I want it to be. So what I can do now is simply drag the recipes into the inbox folder to automatically organize, name, format, and translate them to English, just the way I want them, so that I can easily find them when I need. And now you can see that they were all neatly organized into my recipes folder, so that I always have access to them wherever I go. Now let's say I'm going to have guests at home and need to cook something vegetarian. I could use the chat of the Note Companion Obsidian plugin and I can ask stuff like, what's an Asian dish I could make tonight? Or what's a vegetarian dish that I could make tonight? And then it's just going to give me the answers based on my recipe collection. It's going to recommend me some of the recipes that I have in my vault, not random recipes from the web, which I don't know. And here is how it all works. So in the plugin settings, in organization preferences, you need to have inbox auto renaming enabled so that it renames the recipe from, in my case, from German to English. And here you also want to have inbox auto formatting activated so that it applies the template that I'm going to show you right now. Let's have a quick look at the rest of the settings. Yeah, the rest is not really important for this. Now I'm going to show you the template real quick. Here we have the food recipe template which I made, which is again just a prompt that is going to apply to the document when it's processed through the inbox, when you have those settings enabled as I showed you. So for me, I just wanted to create front matter with those properties, and then it adds the elements of my document in this order. So there you go, that's what I wanted to show you today. If you'd like to try out the Note Companion mobile app, you can sign up for beta testing via the link in the description. The mobile app works independently from Obsidian, and what it does is that it digitizes any of your real-world documents. But it can be coupled with our Obsidian plugin and allow you to set up powerful automations like I just showed you here. We offer a free tier for both the mobile app and the plugin, so if that sounds like something that you'd like to try, sign up via the link in the description. I really hope that this helps, and thanks a lot for watching.